Hi guys, my name is Ilyas Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel IK Creation. Today I bring for you guys a new video. I am not going to bore you anymore. Let's start the video. Real name Elif Doğan. Nickname OQ Hele. Profession actress. Date of birth 8 September 1995. Present age 24 years old. Nationality Turkish. Zodiac sign Virgo. Birthplace Istanbul, Turkey. Height 5 feet and 6 inch. Weight and kilogram 53 kg. Eye color brown. Hair color light brown. Ethnicity white. Religion Muslim. Hobbies: photography, listening to music, traveling, watching movies, and shopping. Social media: she is quite famous on Instagram. 4,25,000 followers on Instagram. Marital status: she is unmarried. Boyfriend name: married coach. Net worth $1 million approx. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe more latest and new lifestyle video.